channel. So today I wanted to come to you and talk to you about these candles that I purchased at my local Big Lots. The first candle is called Homemade Blanket. It's a 3-wick candle, and if I could compare this fragrance to a known fragrance, I would say it smells like Sensual Amber from Bath & Body Works. The next candle that I purchased is called Woodland Spice. It's a 3-wick candle, and this candle has more of a spicy fragrance smell to it. It kind of smells like a Burberry cologne. It has like that spice. I'm not really good with describing things, but that's what it smells like to me. It smells really good, and I can't wait to burn it. This next candle is called Pumpkin Woods. This is a 3-wick candle, and I love this candle. The way that it smells, the way it makes my house smells, it just smells so sweet. It smells like roasted marshmallows. It smells like candy. It just smells really, really, really sweet. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. This candle is a repurchase. I originally bought this candle at the end of summer, beginning of fall, when Big Lots first started putting out their fall decor. To me, this candle smells like Marshmallow Fireside. If you can compare it to another fragrance that you're familiar with, that's exactly what it smells like. The last item that I purchased from Big Lots is the Dr. Teal's body wash with pure Epsom salt. I have the actual Epsom salt that I use in my bathroom when I take soak baths, and I said, well, let me try out the body wash, you know. I haven't quite used this yet, so I'm not sure how it lathers or exactly how it smells or feels on the skin. I will check back with you guys and let you know, but I like Dr. Teal's products. They've never done wrong to me, so I'm pretty sure that the body wash will be great. Okay, so the next items that I purchased were actually from my local Marshalls and Home Goods. I got these long sleeve onesies for my son because he is growing so fast, and all the onesies that I purchased for him before are starting to get a little snug on him. So I said, why not get him a new batch? I really like this first onesie because this is let's stay home and snuggle, and that is actually his favorite thing to do, to just lay in my arms and me hold him and kiss him. He's happy, I'm happy, we like to be warm, we don't like to be in the cold elements, and where we live it gets pretty cold here, so I'm happy that I got these. I really like them, they're really cute. The next item that I got, again, it's for my little boy. He is 3 months, and he's showing signs of teething. If you are familiar with teething babies, they tend to have slop everywhere, and they want to put everything in their mouth to kind of like soothe them and get that irritating feeling of their gums trying to burst through their teeth burst through their gums. So I picked him up these water teethers. I'm going to go ahead and wash them and sterilize them, and then put one in the freezer, one in the refrigerator, and then I'm just gonna leave one out at room temperature. Okay, so my husband and I are really bad about this. We don't really buy pillows as often as we probably should, just because we like the pillows that we have. But I started to notice that mine was getting kind of lumpy, and I don't like lumpy pillows. So I purchased these pillows from Home Goods, and these are Eddie Bauer home pillows, and they are allergen barrier. There's 2 pillows in the pack, and it actually says that I can machine wash and dry them, so I'm excited about that. I'm probably going to wash them before I put them on my bed. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow, but I hope once I wash them and dry them that they feel the same way that they feel now, because they are so soft and mushy, and I'm so happy and I can't wait